Today, I'd like to show you how easy it is to craft vegan soft serve using Itaberco's dairy alternative soft serve mix. When making vegan soft serve, there are many things to consider, like the liquid to solid ratio, the amount of sugar in the recipe, and the amount of fat used to create the perfect texture. Often, different dairy alternatives create different flavor and texture notes, which can make crafting vegan soft serve additionally complicated. Thankfully, the Itaberco Dairy Alternative Soft Serve Mix makes creating a variety of flavored soft serves easy by taking care of the sugar to solid and liquid ratio and uses plant-based stabilizers, allowing you to focus on crafting your ideal flavor profile. Additionally, the Itaberco Dairy Alternative Soft Serve Mix can be flavored using any one of the 60 dairy-free Itaberco flavor compounds, creating versatility and flexibility for your vegan soft serve program. To start, measure out 4,000 grams of dairy alternative milk, about 1 gallon. For optimum texture and flavor, we recommend using oat milk. However, any dairy alternative milk, such as almond or coconut milk, will work. Next, add your Itaberco flavor compound of choice at a ratio of 3 to 5%, or create your own unique blend by mixing 2 or 3 flavor compounds in combination. Flavor can also be added by infusing the milk with various aromatics prior to beginning the process. Lastly, add the Itaberco Dairy Alternative Soft Serve Mix and blend using an immersion blender for a minimum of 90 seconds to hydrate the sweeteners and stabilizers and ensure everything is well incorporated. Pour your soft serve mix into the hopper of your soft serve machine and process according to the manufacturer's instructions. The soft serve mix can also be made up to 24 hours in advance and stored in a refrigerator until ready to use. If doing this method, be sure to blend the mix again prior to pouring it into the machine to account for any settling that may have happened. Creating a versatile vegan soft serve menu couldn't be easier, thanks to the Itaberco Dairy Alternative Soft Serve Mix. Solutions for a vegan soft serve program with no complicated calculations or complex flavoring techniques? Now that's an ingredient for a sweeter life.